Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your external link to VSCO. So today in front of me is an Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and if you want to add your external link to the VSCO, you need to first of all open the application VSCO. Once you're in your main screen, so the studio, you want to go to your profile, which is right here, this smiley face icon. Then you want to click below your profile name, edit. And then you want to click on external link, and here put your link that you want to have it on your VSCO account. After all, you just need to click this icon right here, the tick, to apply the changes. And voila, you have just added your external link to VSCO. Thanks for watching, I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!